Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. These are my few previous videos and I hope you guys have already loved it. And thank you so much for your love and support. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. Now I have already uploaded 2 videos on both of the channels, like one individual each. The last video on this channel was the eyeshadow palettes that you can definitely pick up for this festive season. So I think in the festive season eye makeup is something which is I usually focus on that because that is something that pops up your face to a greater extent. So I have recently uploaded that video. But as far as this video is concerned, as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about facial at home. I know unlock and everything has been happening in the entire India, or I will say entire over everywhere like universe, but I still feel that going out as of now is not that safe. So I thought of doing facial right at home because that is something which is very safe, and at the same time I don't want to take a risk because I think festive season, if you have been knowing that in India after Onam in Kerala, the COVID cases have increased to a greater extent. So I somewhere feel that we should take a lesson on that, and let's not make any situation so bad that the COVID cases are rising. Don't let's not do that. So the much of the precaution that you can take at home is something which is best we can do for ourselves. So without further ado, let's just quickly get into the video. And before we get into the video, do take a moment to subscribe to my channel because I hope that will be a little helpful, and also as a YouTuber or the content creator, it will be a little motivation from your side to us to create more such contents. So yes, and also do follow me on Instagram as Rituparna _Datta _De, and follow me on Facebook as Ria Sweetie Datta. So let's just quickly begin. Now let me give you a close-up pic. I have actually applied oil to the entire hair. I have done a proper face wash. So, and there is a little bump, so we have to be a little careful while doing facial with the bumps as well, like the facial pimples and the bumps and everything. So this mic is really creating problem, please ignore this. So we have to be very careful that if we have little pimple on our face, then it is very important that we take care of that as well. We will see that in the further video. So do watch the video till the end to just see that if we are doing facial at home and we have a little bump, so how to deal with it. So I will be doing, so I have two first thing, let me show you. I have 2 kits. This is Good Vibes Gold and Diamond. So these are the 2 facial kits that I have for today, and I'm thinking I will be doing the Gold Natural Glow because I think 24 is something the festival is, that is Durga Puja. And if you don't know, yes, I am a Bengali, so I thought that before that let me do something at home. So my hair is in a very bad condition, please don't mind that. So I thought to go with this one. Now all the steps and everything has been mentioned at the back of the entire kit. They have been given stepwise, like step 1, 2, 3, 4, how to use and everything have been clearly mentioned. And let me tell you, this is from Good Vibes. Good Vibes is again a brand fee which is free of chemical, parabens, sulfates and everything. So it is very safe on the face. When we open this, we have all the tubes lying right like this. I will take out all the tubes and keep the manual in front of me, or else at the back of the tube also it has been mentioned. Now coming to the tubes, we have all the steps written, like this is step number 2, this is step number 3, this is step number 1. So we will quickly start with the step number 1, which is a natural glow cleanser. Now in the facial cleanser is something, cleansing is something which is very important. So we will do that. Instructions and steps have been given at the back. Take a small amount of the cleanser, massage it for 2-3 minutes and then wash off with the plain water. So I'm just gonna the best thing is they are in tubes. It is really chilling and very good on face. I'll take a little more amount and we have to massage it for 2-3 minutes. So please follow the instructions to get the best results. So I'm just gonna massage. Always massage in the upward direction, so that will prevent the sagging of the face, not the face, the skin. And massage, 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 and then I'm gonna wash off, and then I will be right back. The massaging should be in a proper direction. I have already mentioned, but do not leave any part of your face. So the motions will be like this. I'm just gonna quickly wash off and I'll see you. I'm done with the step number 1. I have completely cleansed my face. So the first step itself, I can see a lot of difference. So let's see till the end how it causes more difference. No, step number 1 is done. So I will keep this tube aside. I have used it already once, so this is the second time I'm using. I'll move to the step number 2, which is scrub. Now scrubbing is also very, very important. So this is step number 2. Now application is to scrub in the circular motion again for 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse it off. The scrub somewhere looks like this because this is a gold facial. So scrub is a very tiny particle, very beautiful scrub by the way, and I think it feels divine. I have more of the problem over this area, and yeah, scrubbing very, very, very important. Let me give you a very close pic of how exactly the scrub is. Very tiny, 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 tiny particle. So same thing, we have to be very careful of the bum if you have any. That scrub real good. This is the area you need to scrub like real good. So for 2 to 3 minutes you have to do the same way, and then you have to wash it with the water. So let's just do a proper scrubbing. This is a favorite part of my of the facial because I love this gold scrub, which is so good, so good. I will be massaging and then I'll wash off and I'll see you. Now step number 2 is also done. I have completely scrubbed my face. So as you can see, there is a lot of difference. I have a lot of I don't know, the blackening effect over here, so that has been removed. Specifically if the scrub has worked or not, you can check it right in this corner of your nose. So I think that has been properly scrubbed. I really love how the scrub have actually turned off. Everything is clean. Now after scrub, please make sure to spray toner or anything that you use, because after scrub, after you wipe your face really gets dehydrated. So I'll move to the step number 3. So scrubbing is done. Now step number 3 is, okay, where is step number 3? Step number, oh god, these are, okay, 3 is massage cream, the natural glow massage cream. Now let's see. Wow, this is a beautiful cream consistency. Okay, let me show you this way. That's a cream consistency, so I'm gonna gently massage. The instruction is the same, that you have to apply and then massage and massage and massage. So I think massaging is the only key step for the facial. Okay, one more tip by the way guys, if while massaging your face, if you feel the heat, the hot radiation, if I can, not radiation but the hot something coming out of friction, then I think that's the time that you can take it, that massaging is going real proper. So I'll take this area as well, massage real good. and for the 2-3 minutes I'll repeat the same step. I'll wash and then I'll come back and see you. The third step has already been done. I have completely massaged it so well that I can feel the heatness on my face, and my face really feels plumped up. So that is step number 3. So we will move to the last step. I must say that I've tried facial kits from VLCC, from Wadi and other brands, but trust me, the Good Vibes facial kits are just amazing. So before we get into the fourth step, let me tell you the price of this entire kit, which you can use at least 3 times. I mean, the 3 number of times. Like first time I've used it like few months before. This is the second time, and still there is left in the tube, so I think you can use it over one more time. So 3 times this can be used, this particular tube. All tubes are of this size. They are basically 10 gram of the product. Now this has a manufacturing date of 2019, and you can use it till November 2022, which is a very long time, like 4 years, which is amazing. And the price is also good, like 250 rupees. Like for 250 bucks you can get 3 facial right sitting at home, which is of a great quality, and you can just see on the face it works so fine. By the way, this is the bump that I have, and it kind of submerged that bump, and there is no filter on the camera right now, and it has actually made the skin real clean. So this is for 250 rupees. This is the Good Vibes Gold facial kit, and this is the diamond skin polishing. I will be doing this facial again like after 10 days. I know this is not advisable, but actually there's a festive season, so I have to do it like probably the next Saturday I have to do it again. So the diamond one is little pricey, like 350 rupees, and it also have the same shelf life of 4 years, and the diamond looks like this. So I loved both of this facial kits to a greater extent, because Good Vibes product actually suits my skin as well. So yes, these are the 2 prices. For the gold it is 250 rupees, and definitely now in purple a lot of sale is going on, so you can avail this facial kits at much discounted price than the original one, so you can definitely go ahead and grab that offer. And this diamond one is for 350 rupees, which is again a great deal, and I'm sure there is some off or discount on that as well. Now coming to the last step, is natural glow face pack. Obviously when you go to the parlor, the last step will be the face pack. Face pack mainly we use so that all the things that we have done on the skin should be locked in the skin, and it will kind of replenish your skin and give a proper glow. So the steps is given like apply thick layer of this pack. Now you do not need any kind of container to pour it and mix it and all of that. That is not required. Leave it for 15-20 minutes till the pack dries and wash it off with the plain water. Now definitely it's a pack, so I will moist my skin because I've completely dried my skin. So I moisturized my skin, got a little moist or mist on the skin, and then I will be applying a thick layer of the pack as already mentioned. Now the thick layer means really a thick layer. The last step is very important, by the way, and it gives me a smell of sandal and yogurt. And I think you guys know that the yogurt is something which calms your skin to a greater extent, and I'll give you a little closer pic of how this pack looks. Definitely on the forehead I have bump. Actually, after facial the bump has more suppressed a lot, so that's that. Really I've applied thick layer, and definitely this area as well. Okay, so I've applied the thick layer, and I will keep it for like 15 to 20 minutes, and then I will quickly wash off, and then I'll let you know the skin how it feels. So that's pretty much, and I will surely let it dry, and then quickly wash off. Finally, I have done with the last step, which is the face pack, and trust me, my skin really feels that there is no difference if I go to parlor and then do it, and if I do at home, I can completely see no difference. But having said that, it has to be it is very important that you follow all the instructions which is given in the facial kit. First thing. Second, the motions of your facial should be very appropriate, like in the circular motion and also in the upward direction. So I think that is also something which is very important for getting the good results. Now I have used it and my skin is looking flawless and I'm really loving it. Let me give you a close pic again because I'm just loving it. There is absolutely no makeup, not even a lip balm, not even a liner, not even my brows, nothing has been done. And this is exactly how it looks like. Everything is dead clean, all the dead particles are like clean, and it's feeling it's really good and I really love that effect. Now after doing all the facial and everything that you have done on the skin, it's very important, the last step is to moisturize your skin and then go to bed. Now moisturizing of the skin can be done with the help of rose water, toner, the normal facial cream, and everything is like pretty fine. But whatever you do, you kind of moisturize and then you go to sleep. Now for moisturizing, I'm using Good Vibes Saffron Nourishing Day Cream. Now I know it is a day cream, but I always use this, or the Rose Hip Gel for moisturizing. So I'm gonna, I'm already halfway through. I'm gonna take a little bit and then moisturize very little bit, like for the sake of moisturizing, and then that's the last step. Again, after that, moisturize always your lips with the lip balm, and then probably completes your entire facial and everything. So I think that's pretty much. I am kind of feeling so good because this moisturizer is so good. Even this moisturizer is also from Good Vibes, so I'm nowhere promoting the brand and this is not a sponsored video, but I genuinely love all the products from Good Vibes because they actually kind of suits my skin, and my skin somewhere looks very supple and very good. So that's the reason I love the Good Vibes products over everything. So I have kind of moisturized my face and I'm feeling so good. I just moisturize with lips. Sometimes if I am so lazy to take the balm from my table, I kind of take this and also moisturize my lips. So this is overall a very good cream. I really love this cream to a greater extent. I can't even tell you why I'm raving so much, but I really love it. And then I moisturize my hands and everything, and I go for a good sleep. So I hope this video was a little helpful because I really enjoyed facial at home, because in this pandemic it's very important that before festive season at least you look presentable. I know I'm not gonna go out for a longer time, but whatsoever I feel festive season is somewhere you should feel festive from within. So I think facial was very important for me to do, because it's a high time, because we are only left with 12 days for the Durga Puja and I'm super excited, so I just did it. I hope this was little helpful, but definitely you can go and purchase this facial kits from purplle.com. Both are available, and by the way, Purplle Beauty sale is also going on, so you can grab the deal. And that's pretty much. Please, before you go, take a moment to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, comment, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All the handles will be in the description box. I will try and mention the link of both the products in the description box so that you guys can check this affordable facial kits and get beautify or glow or enhance your skin. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.